Hey everyone, today in our mini projects we will learn how to make this cute flower coasters. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So here I'm using these three colors of yarn, a pair of scissors, and the crochet hook is 4.50 mm. So first we will start with this white yarn. Let's work on a magic ring. Hold this tail with your thumb and ring finger. Then make a cross like this, and now insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop, turn it around, and then chain one. This is our magic ring. Let's add one more chain. This chain 2 will be count as our first double crochet, and now we will work 9 double crochet into this ring. For double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This is our double crochet. Let's do one more. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 3 double crochets. Let's work till 10 double crochets. This is our 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8. Don't forget to hold this tail. 9 and 10. After this 10 double crochet, hold, stretch this tail, make it tight to create a proper circle. Now where we did our chain 2, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and now we will work one slip stitch. For slip stitch, this loop, then pull the hook from this loop. This will make a slip stitch like a chain 1. Hold this tighter. Now chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will work on our second row, this one. After chain 3, on our first this V, insert your hook, then work 1 double crochet. This will count as our first double crochet. This is second. Now in each of the stitch we will work 2 double crochets. Again into the same loop, our second double crochet. Again this third opening, 2 double crochets. Fourth opening, 2 double crochets. Like this till the end we will work 2 double crochet in each of the stitch. So our row 2 is almost complete. Let's work on our last stitch. After one into our last stitch where we did our chain 2, work only 1 double crochet. Where we did our chain 3, insert your hook and work 1 slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, then 3. Now we will work on our third row. After chain 3, work 1 double crochet. To the next chain we will work 2 double crochets. And now in our last stitch where we did our chain 3, work 1 double crochet, then into the chain 3, 1 slip stitch, then chain 1, make this loop a little bit bigger, then cut this off, make it tight. So our center part is complete, like this. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now we will work on our petals. So for petal I'm using this baby. Insert your hook in any of this stitch. I'm using this both color. Pull up a loop like this, then secure the end. Now we will work chain 2, 1 and 2. Into the next stitch we will work 1/2 double crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. After 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. After 1 double crochet, yarn over twice, we will work 3 treble crochet in this stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. This is our first double crochet. The same stitch again, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now work on our third treble crochet into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. After 3 treble crochet in one stitch, we will work 1 double crochet to the next stitch, then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. After half double crochet, work 1 slip stitch. So this is our first petal. What we did, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet, half double crochet, and then slip stitch. After slip stitch, work 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. We will secure this end as well. Now treble crochet, 3 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. This is our third treble crochet. After 3 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and then half double crochet, then 1 slip stitch. This is our slip stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, 3 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, half double, and slip stitch. Like this, complete till the end. Let's work on our last petal. Work 3 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then slip stitch. After slip stitch, where we did our chain 2, insert your hook to this gap and work 1 more slip stitch. Okay, after slip stitch, chain 1, cut this off, keep it tight, hide the tail. So our flower coaster. If you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye.